I'm Kristyn and Manna's Program Director.
And I'm Susan O'Neill, and I'm the Market Manager at Manna.
And we're here to show you how convenient and easy it is to shop online in Manna's Market. Okay, so we're ready to place our order. And what's great about Smart Choice is that when you shop remotely, you could do so from an iPhone or an Android phone. You could do it at your computer, or you could use a tablet. So whatever resource you have, you could be shopping remotely. But I'd like to use my computer, and you'll see that you have opportunities to shop in English, Spanish, or Arabic. So I'm gonna opt into English, and then I'm going to enter my ID and my PIN. Now, if you don't have an ID or PIN, not a problem. You can get the ID and PIN from Manna's receptionist or a market staff member. So let's click here to log into the system. Okay, so here's our home screen. You'll notice these points at the top of the screen. So these are the monthly points that you have to shop in Manna's Market. And whether you shop on site in Manna's Market, if you shop at a kiosk or online, the points and the products are the same. So here, I'd like to use some of the points that I have available for fruit. So I'm going to click on fruit, and here I'm going to add apples to my cart. You'll notice that this part here turned red, which lets you know that it's in your cart. Now, if I wanted to adjust the number of apples I ordered, I would just click on that item in my cart, and I would click here on change quantity. And here I could add another bag of apples. And it lets me know now that after I've added that second one, the maximum order has been reached. And that's just because it reflects, the number of apples we have available in the market. So I'm going to change that quantity, and now what you'll notice is that I have 2 bags of apples and I spent 4 points. And of course all of this is free, but the points let you know how much you can get in the market. So you can see my points balance here. So it makes it very easy to know how much you're able to get each month, and that you can track it as well for your family. Let's go back to the main menu, and let's look at maybe proteins. All right, so here I'd like to get some beans. I can add a few right now into my cart. I could get 4 cans of dark beans. And then, let's say I made a mistake and I wanted to remove that. Not a problem. I could go down here to remove item, click on that, and it's gone from my cart. So it allows a lot of flexibility with how you order, and it allows you to be in charge of what goes into your cart and what goes out. Here I can see more items by just clicking these up or down arrows. So I could decide if I wanted to place an item for something like beef, or if I wanted to add again in some beans. We can add those to the cart. Let's go back to that main menu.
Okay, now I'll show you how you get into the other screen. You'll see at the bottom of the menu it says Other. So we will scroll to that. Click on Other, and this gives you the drop down of your other categories with your point allotment over here matching color coded. So you'll see soups, hygiene, pet food. Everyone has the option of getting pet food. One thing to note, if you have a baby in your household, you will find all baby products such as diapers and wipes under the hygiene category. So we'll just click on that. One moment. All right, and you will see, and you can scroll down to the correct size that you would need. Just have to get to diapers. So you'll see there's diaper 1. So that's where you would find those things, as well as your other hygiene needs. So we'll go back. All right, and you'll see at the very bottom we have our USDA category. If you are one of our clients that gets food through that program once a month, you would just click on this, and then it would walk you through. As you selected your items, it will tell you when you've maxed out in each category, whether it be fruit, grain, or protein. And it will speak to you about that at this start screen. So we'll go back again.
So thanks, Suz. So we're almost ready to check out, but we wanted to show you one feature of the system, which is really helpful when you're shopping. So as an example, if you're a USDA shopper, you can get certain items in certain amounts. So you may be allowed to have 2 different fruits each month, something like that. So here I put 2 fruits in my cart, and what's great is that the system lets you know that you can't get any other fruits for that shopping visit. So here it'll automatically gray out these products for you to let you know that category is complete. Of course, if I wanted to remove fruit cocktail and I said, I want to get something else, well, all of a sudden, now I'm available to shop for any fruit again in USDA, in the USDA category. So the system really lets you know what you can get and in how much. So it's very simple and easy to shop. So I'm going to click back. If I was done and I wanted to go back to the main menu, I could shop for any other items I wanted. But at this point, I just needed a couple of things. So I'm going to talk with staff because I want to specify a couple of questions that maybe I have here. So this allows me to ask staff a question, or if I had something like an item in my cart such as long pasta, and maybe I really wanted to get spaghetti, or I wanted linguine, something like that, I could specify it here, and as much as possible, we would try to fulfill that request. So that's what that feature is here, the talk with staff, and I could submit my question. So that's so helpful. Another little tip if you want to shop online to make it simple and easy, once you've placed your first order, if that's a standard order for you, you can just click past orders. And on the date that you last shopped, that cart, if you clicked here, would automatically appear, which is so nice because you're just starting from a very simple place. So you could almost build a base order of all of the things that you'd like in the market and then just quickly add a couple items, click submit, and you're done. Here, if I was done and I was complete and this is what I wanted, I would just hit checkout and I would check out this, this shopping list and I'd be set and ready to pick up.
Okay, so now your order's been placed. You do need to pick up your order the day that you place it. You'd pick it up during market hours. You would just pull up to the back door where you exit the market, come in, let us know your name, and we'll have your order all set for you.
So thank you so much. I hope that this tutorial has been helpful. Please, if you have any questions, let us know. Give us a call or reach out to a market staff member. Thanks so much and happy online shopping.